As a curriculum geek, I've spent way too much time comparing unit studies. Eventually, I found myself wondering, could I do this myself? And that question stuck with me until I finally decided I had to try it. So, armed with ChatGPT and my library card, I created my own unit study from scratch. But how did it work for my kids? And was the end result worth all the effort? Come find out with me. Welcome to our pineapple porch. In the middle of our U.S. history and state study, I decided to go for it. Florida became the subject of my experiment, since some dear friends of ours had recently moved there. I asked Chat to give me suggestions for the things that I love in a good unit study: engaging nonfiction books with lots of pictures, related storybooks, hands-on crafts, themed snacks, narration, and most importantly, the feeling that my boys had actually experienced Florida, not just learned facts about it. I had fun putting it together, but the real test was whether my boys would enjoy it too. Here's how it went. I made this a 2-day study, and we kicked it off with exploring this gorgeous travel poster. Honestly, one of my favorite things I made with Chat. What do you see?
Palm trees.
Palm trees. That's why you have coconut, because it's very tropical, kind of like here in Hawaii.
Wow, rocket ship.
Rocket ship. What could that mean? There's the flag.
It looks like a cross right here.
It does kind of look like a cross. What is that?
Crocodile.
Crocodile, maybe an alligator.
Actually, he blew his cup.
Locating Florida was a little more competitive than I was anticipating. Do you remember where it might be on this map?
Maybe be.
Yes, look. There's Florida.
See it on here.
You can. Okay, so you found it on the big map. How about you find it here? I'll spin it to shuffle it. First, you got to find the United States of America. We had our routine state fact books, but also enjoyed browsing information about the Everglades and the Kennedy Space Station. They were even featured on our coloring page.
White tip shirt.
Snorkel a rainbow reef. Oh, I love these. The spotted eagle rays. We have some here. I love them.
Look.
Here's the manatee. Come sit down.
They look like. I don't know what they are. Like, they look like.
This area is called.
No.
This area is called 10,000 Islands. Look at all those islands. It looks like 10,000 islands, doesn't it?
Actual person.
Yeah, it's an actual person, not. Look at that. That's a real picture, you guys. That person, there's Earth behind him. He's outside of his spaceship, the space shuttle.
They took a picture.
Yeah. Storybooks. The facts teach us, but the stories bring it to life. In the middle of the stream, can you show me where it looks like boulders? Yeah.
A turtle.
Aren't big old boulders after all. It's a group of manatees. Do you see the manatees under there?
Yeah.
Yeah. I am on Mars. I've traveled a long way from Earth. Huh?
That's a present.
Yeah, it does look like a present. Astro Girl by Ken Wilson Max. Hey, long, Astrid laughed. What about all the science experiments? Do you know they do science experiments when they're up in space? This was a pretty simple craft, but the boys really enjoyed it. Whatever you want, Sweetie. Just pick a hand.
That looks pretty, right?
That does look pretty, yeah. So if you hold it like this, boop, and you can go back and forth. There you go. Yeah. Now, I wasn't sure what to expect from computer-generated narration prompts, but they led to some really great discussions around our table. Different from Hawaii.
That's easy.
That's an easy one?
Because they have the space center.
They have the space center? What else?
Because they have crocodiles.
Let them have
It's the only place to have crocodiles.
It's the only place to have crocodiles? I don't know if it's the only place to have crocodiles, but between Florida and Hawaii, you're right. We don't have crocodiles in Hawaii, do we?
And we don't.
I don't know. So we did this state a little bit different than we've been doing our other states. What did you guys think about this way of doing it?
Better.
You like it better?
Yeah.
What do you like better about it?
So you can draw.
Because we get to draw a lot?
Yeah.
What do you think? Did you like this better, or do you like the regular way we do it better?
This better.
This better? Why?
Because it's fun learning about stuff in this technique because we can paint.
Oh, yeah.
And
You
color.
liked doing the craft and the extra coloring?
Yeah.
Is there something you liked about our regular curriculum that we should have added to this one?
Like, I want to color the skateboard.
You like doing the skateboard?
I like skateboard. Putting the stickers on.
Oh, the stickers, yeah. Those are a lot of fun.
Skateboard.
I really enjoyed this unit study. First, it was basically free. I borrowed books from the library, printed a few pages, used craft supplies we already had on hand, and picked up a few snacks from the grocery store. But even more than that, it was completely customizable. If we do this again, I can easily add in some of the things my boys said they missed. And now that I've done the initial setup and figured out the format I like, I can simply swap in a new state and have ChatGPT help recreate the study. Now that said, setting it up did take some time and effort. I had to decide which elements I wanted to include and then sort through the recommendations. Many of the suggested library books weren't available locally, or they took too long to arrive through the interlibrary loan. So I often had to do some digging in our own library catalog, which took some time and was a little frustrating. I should also mention that the curriculum we've been using is much more than a state study. It includes history and several other components that weren't a part of my experiment. Overall, I'd call this project a success. If I were doing a standalone state study, I would absolutely continue creating my own. But because we enjoy the history and extras included in our current curriculum, we'll keep using that. And maybe add a few of our own elements along the way. Let me know in the comments if you've ever done a project like this, or if you'd like to see a tutorial on how I created the state study. And remember, Mama, we're all in this together.